Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tiffany & Co. model TF3066 in color code 6091/64. It's a pale gold color frame. The lenses are a brown-white mirror color, and it has a Tiffany & Co. logo engraved in the top left lens. The temples have a Tiffany & Co. logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and that's the serial number. This is the other side of the temple. They are RXable lenses. Up here we have a Tiffany & Co. gift box, a case to put your glasses in, microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.